This could be just another day, but still you're standing here. Not if all is all been said, and the way you hold me near, I was alone this journey. You came along to comfort me. Everything I want in life is right here. 'Cause this is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. I was not prepared enough to fall so deep in love. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. You were the first to touch my heart, and everything's right again with your extraordinary love. I get away when you look at me. I get lost inside your eyes. Sometimes the magic is hard to believe, but you're here before my very eyes. You brought joy to my world, set me so free. I don't want you to understand. You're every breath that I breathe. No ordinary love. I was not prepared enough to fall so deep in love. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. You were the first to touch my heart, and I made everything right again with your extraordinary love. From the very first time that we kissed, I know that I just cannot let get away. This Dion, remember this. You're the only one that can in the dark. Can we make this last forever? This can't be a dream, 'cause it feels so good to me. So good to me. So good to me. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. I was not prepared enough to fall so deep in love. This is not your ordinary, no ordinary love. You were the first to touch my heart, made everything right again with your extraordinary love. That's all. I love you so much lang. Ito po yung mensahe mo sa akin nung pumunta ko sa Davao. Nag-train ako. Ito po yung mensahe mo. Babasahin ko. You come to mind morningly, noonly, and nightly. I wish I could see you this minute or soonly. So you're probably right. If you're thinking it seems like I'm taking this missing you thanks to Embrace. Meron pang kasunod. Always remember, I love you so much and nothing else. Meron pang smiley. Ito pa, meron pa. Good luck, take care, God bless. Miss you lang. Meron pa. Till we meet again. Yun lang. Always remember, I love you so much. Bakit hindi ka nagparamdam sa akin? Why? anong nangyari sa ating dalawa. Para tayo mga kalain mo. Oo. Last week on August 2014, until now, hindi ka nagparamdam sa akin. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong nangyari sa'yo. Pati sa Facebook, binablock mo ako. Sa Skype, meron ka pero hindi ka magre-reply po. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong aking gawin sa'yo eh. Always remember, I love you so much. Ikaw ra ang akong huna. Thank you and more power. God bless. Take care. Always remember, you and I till we meet again. That's all. Thank you so much. Amping Garia. Thank you.